Hi lovely people, do you know that you can chat with someone on WhatsApp without saving their number? Welcome to Learn with Hassan, and today I'm here to show you how you can chat with someone on WhatsApp without saving their number. To do this, open your browser and then at the search bar write wa.me/ your country code. I'm in Ghana, so the country code is 233. Then you add the phone number without writing the 0. So writing the number here, this is the number, and after that you tap on go. Now you'll be greeted with this. Go to continue to chat. Tap on continue to chat. Then go to your WhatsApp application. Select your WhatsApp application. And here you are. This is the chat with you and the person. So you can start chatting here. So the message has been sent. And the person too can reply you here. As you can see, it has come. Now, as you can see, the chat is going on. So this is how you chat with someone on WhatsApp without saving their number. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that next time when we upload a video like this, you'll be the first person to know. As well, you can share the video for others to benefit from it. Thank you for watching once again. Until we meet again, bye bye.